Hi, sweet students. I'm recording this video to stay in touch with you so that you won't forget your English teacher. And I will take advantage of this video to tell you the solution of the exercise of matching the slides with the captions. So I'm giving you the solution and the sequence of the captions to match with the slides. Here we go. Romeo and Juliet is a tragedy written by William Shakespeare between 1594 and 1596, and it is the most popular play of the English dramatist. The story is set in Verona, that is divided by civil war between two noble families, the Capulet and the Montagues, that hate each other. The rivalry between the members of the two families is converted to hostility, and continual fightings take place in the streets of the city. Escalus, the Prince of Verona, urges the head of the two families, Lord Capulet and Lord Montague, to stop the feud. Otherwise, he will be forced to sentence them to death. When we meet Romeo for the first time, we know that he's desperate in love with Rosaline, a young woman who takes no interest in him, and his friends advise him to look for other girls. Meanwhile, the young and handsome Count Paris asks Juliet's father for her hand in marriage. Lord Capulet agrees, but he asks Count Paris, to wait for 2 months because Juliet is 13 years old. Lady Capulet gives Juliet the news, and Juliet is thrilled at the idea of getting married. One of the servants of the Capulet family is sent to announce that a feast will be held that night at the house of the Capulet. Romeo and his friends decide to crash the feast. They go to the party wearing masks to hide their real identity, being the Capulet and the Montagues enemies at that time. At the feast, Romeo spots Juliet across the room, and he immediately falls in love with her. He forgets about Rosaline in that very moment. Although Romeo and his friends are recognized by the members of the family of the Capulet, Mercutio will not send him away. Romeo takes advantage of the situation and attracts Juliet's attention and kisses her. They are captured and overwhelmed by the attraction, and it is love at first sight. The Montagues must leave the party, and Romeo finds shelter in the orchard of the house of Juliet. While he is meditating on the beauty of Juliet, she comes out in the balcony and speaks to the moon in a loud voice, telling about her love to the young Romeo, although she doesn't know anything about the real identity of her lover. Romeo shows himself, and the two start speaking to each other about their feelings in a very natural way, and they exchange love vows. Romeo leaves and immediately goes to his friend Friar Lawrence. Romeo reveals his love for Juliet to Friar Lawrence, who considers the marriage the possibility to put an end to the feud to the hatred between the two families, and advises Romeo to uh, uh, ask Juliet to come to his chapel so that he will marry them secretly. The next day, thanks to the help of the nurse, of Juliet's nurse, the young Romeo and the young Juliet are secretly married by Friar Lawrence in his chapel. Um, Juliet is now at home and Romeo is walking in the streets of Verona, where he meets the members of the two rival families who openly challenge each other. Tybalt, Juliet's cousin, wants revenge because he feels offended for having the Montagues at his party and for having the Montagues crashed the party. He is furious and he wants to challenge Romeo in duel. Romeo is now relative to Tybalt, although Tybalt doesn't know about the secret marriage, and asks him to call off the duel. Mercutio, but the duel takes place anyway, and Mercutio, Romeo's best friend, is wounded by accident and dies during the fighting. Now Romeo is really uh, angry and wants revenge. So he kills Tybalt at the end of the duel, and the Prince of Mantua uh, bans banishes Romeo, and Romeo is sent away. Romeo must go away because he is an outlaw now, and he flees to Verona, to Mantua. Lord Capulet tells his decision to Juliet, who is desperate because she can't marry Count Paris because she is in love with her new uh, husband and she can't marry another man. So she opposes her father's decision and she doesn't know what to do. So unsure of what to do, she goes to Friar Lawrence to seek for advice. And Friar Lawrence devises a plan for her and for Romeo to get together when in Mantua after a fake death of Juliet. That is, he advises her to drink a potion that will make her get an apparent death for 48 hours. Um, Juliet decides to drink this potion and to follow Friar Lawrence's instructions. The next morning, the Capulet's family, find the girl who is lying in her bed in this death-like state. Although her parents think she is dead, and so they are desperate for her death. In Mantua, Romeo can't get the right information from Friar Lawrence and comes to know that Juliet is dead, and so he is desperate and runs to Verona to reach her beloved. Before getting there, he buys poison because he wants to drink this poison and die next to Juliet on her tomb. and so he does. So he dies on her tomb, and when Juliet wakes up a few moments after, and when she dies, when she wakes up from her fake death, she sees Romeo's body next to her. She attempts to drink some poison from her beloved lips, but it doesn't work. So she uh, stabs herself in the chest using Romeo's uh, dagger, and she dies. Coming upon the lifeless young lovers, Montague and Capulet agree to end their feud. That's it. This is the right sequence of the captions to the slides. Of course, what I have told you is not what is actually written. I have added, or probably I've taken away some words from the captions, but the sequence of the narration is this one. So I hope you have done the right and written the right sequence, the right slides. I will check. Thank you very much indeed, and see you soon. This is something you must be afraid of. Bye bye.